Hi, my name is Cody Cochran, and I'm an engineer with Azoth. I am excited that Azoth is partnering with Rize Inc. We're joining together to bring customers in the manufacturing industry the additive indirect supplies grid. Together, we'll supply customers prototypes, functional tooling, gauging, fixturing, and more. The service will be on-site at dramatically reduced lead times and cost. We believe this will increase our customers' competitive advantage. The team at Rize has extensive knowledge in the additive field and the technical know-how to help materialize some of our most complex ideas. They offer a world-class product and service, and we share in their vision for the future of additive manufacturing. The Rize material their team has developed is about twice as strong as ABS and has endless applications for us. We are excited to bring Rize to our customers. The Rize printer is operator-friendly. Users of all backgrounds have been able to learn how to use the printer in less than one day. This printer enables the user to focus primarily on the design of the part, while Rize software takes care of the rest. Click print, easily remove the support material, and then ship the part. This ease of use will allow Azoth's on-site personnel in over 200 manufacturing facilities to quickly build the additive indirect supplies grid. Azoth sees an exciting future to come with Rize as its partner.